Squeeze a little lemon on here. Let that start soaking in. Not bad though. Got some wood split up. Wood cut. There's the fire pit. Here's my sleeping situation for the night. A-frame sort of tarp setup. Got my little candle lantern there to keep me company throughout the night. A couple blow-up pillows and a wool blanket. Sleeping pad underneath it. And that's about it. Hopefully this gets rid of some of the mosquitoes. Huh. This one only has one wing. So this is dinner tonight. Little Cornish game hen just split the backbone. So I can sit it on there flat, get it done quicker. Yeah, there's only one wing. The other one's not there. I got gypped. I'm calling my lawyer. So, just gonna season this up nice and heavy with a salt and pepper mix. A little bit of a Italian seasoning here to give it a little extra flavor. And then here I have smoked sea salt flakes that I can finish everything off with. When you're cooking over an open fire, hunks of meat like this, whether it's steak, you know, cuts of chicken, pork, whatever, you don't want to go light on the salt because a lot of it actually does cook off, but you want it to sort of soak into the meat as it's cooking, because everything you put in there on top of the meat is not going to flavor go into the meat. So it looks like a lot of salt, but it's really not. Cornish game hen, get out of my ear, mosquito. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to put it skin side down, because we want that to get kind of crispy. Hopefully it's not too hot yet. A little sizzle isn't bad. And we'll start right there. Ooh, look at that. That's not a bad thing. All right, let's check that out. Oh yeah. A little crispy on that skin. Nice to see. Oh yeah. So I brought an avocado that needs to be used up. Wild asparagus. Someone I know picked on the side of the road somewhere and gave me some. It looks delicious. And some lemon. Gonna squeeze some fresh lemon juice on the chicken and on the asparagus. Bag these up, keep them from getting ash and bugs and whatever else on them. Cool thing with asparagus is that if you want to know where the tender part is from the woody part, you just give it a bend and it'll snap. Ooh, there's a big fat one. Boom. 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 All right, so we got a good amount of asparagus. Put the asparagus in there too. Squeeze a little lemon on here. Let that start soaking in. Oh yeah. A couple more squeezes of lemon on the underside. The open skin, that'll really soak in. Give it some good lemony flavor. Yeah, one of the leg quarters snapped off when I flipped it, so that's all right. It's all gonna get cut up in the end anyway. There we go. Well, there's obviously a road nearby. What the hell is that? That's not a motorcycle. And that's not somebody that can't afford to fix their muffler. That's somebody intentionally making their car loud. Don't understand it. Hey, look at me. Everybody turn and look at me in my car. I don't get it. Oh man, look at that. Golden brown. Getting crispy, juicy, sizzling. Yeah. That's looking really, really good. Alright, I'm thinking this is about done. So I'm going to put this like this. We're going to swing this way so we can cook the asparagus. Time for the asparagus. Put that back there. Thicker ones up front, thinner ones in back. Just keep an eye on them. A little bit of salt and pepper to get them started. Lemon juice on these bad boys. Everything's almost done. Cut some cubes. Yeah, this thing's one more day this would have been done for. Yeah, it's this would make great guacamole, that's for sure. There we go. Using this with just a little bit of salt. Get the asparagus off. On this little mess tray. Oh, that chicken, look, this hen looks delightful. Put that right there. Put this avocado, kind of sprinkle it around a little bit. Fresh lemon all over everything. Now we're going to finish this with a little smoked sea salt. All right, it is time to dig in. Let's start with the asparagus, a little bit of avocado. Oh man. That's really a good combination. Who'd have thought? Sometimes you just open your fridge, see what you got, you bring it, you cook it. Oh, that smoked sea salt too. Mmm. Now, this is good. Try the chicken. Oh yeah, pulling right off the bone. The mouths are out. I have my light going, obviously, so we can see what's going on here. And yeah, they're floating around. Not bad though. I guess you could call this like a Grecian style, with the lemon and the Italian seasoning, you know, the oregano and thyme, basil. Or Italian chicken if you want, if you will. Oh yeah. I'd say that's pretty much done to perfection. Nothing special here. But like I've said a bunch of times, still a little better than just roasting hot dogs over the fire. Those have their place, but why not cook something a little more enjoyable? And I'm enjoying this. I actually have a napkin. I'll do one of these. Right? Why not? That way I can be a pig. I can be a big pig now. Oh, this asparagus and avocado is actually pretty much dynamite. Dynamite. No complaints from me. Well, I'm going to tackle this. Not pig out on camera. And I'll check in with you a little bit later. Bush Food Network. I'll be back. So I was talking to my buddy tonight on the phone. I live here in southeastern Wisconsin. Right now I'm currently at Whitewater Lake Campground, backpacking site, and he proceeded to tell me that in this area there's been some cougars, a couple cougars sighted, which that's pretty interesting. Not necessarily the nicest thought to have when you're climbing into bed by yourself, but I think I'll be all right. Got this. Got this. So hopefully won't need to use anything. But I just wanted to say good night. Thanks for watching. I will see everybody in the morning. Make a little coffee, a little breakfast, pack up and get out of here. Bush Food Network. Good night. Oh. Well, good morning. Oh, slept pretty good last night. Just decided to get a little fire going just to get the chill out of the air. It got down, yeah, let's say it was about 45. Not real cold, but still a little chill in the air when I got up. So I'm not gonna use it for any cooking. Just gonna kind of let it do its thing and make myself some coffee. Got my little fuel tank, my little stove. Get myself some coffee on. Make a little breakfast, some eggs and sausage, and be on my way. It's a beautiful morning out here. Birdies chirping. Coffee. And we'll do about half of this. Fill up the mug. So that's a good cup of coffee. All right, coffee's done. I like cream and sugar in my coffee. A little powdered creamer, that is. Yeah. Ooh, that's a good looking cup of coffee. Good looking cup of coffee. Yeah, a few grounds in there, but never hurt anybody, right? Cheers. Couple sausage patties. Salt and pepper. Simple but delicious. Breakfast is served. Cheers. I wish I could stay out here a whole nother day and night. Doing just one nighter sometimes it is sort of rushed. It's nice to have the whole day to wake up, have the coffee, the breakfast, scout around, enjoy the weather, the scenery. But life calls. So if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, share if you'd like to this video, and check out the rest of my channel. I have a lot of other cooking videos. It'd be much appreciated. My channel is what you would call a very slow growing channel. That's all right. I'm out here because I have fun doing it, not because I care about YouTube. But it's always appreciated. So I'm gonna eat my breakfast, pack up leisurely, and head out. So I will see you later.